RT-308A Benchtop UV Aging Test Chamber. It is made of stainless steel. Dimensions of Instrument Studio: about 280 mm, about 400 mm. It should be a little lower from the glass tube, not too close. Approximate 250 mm. Equipped with two 15-watt UV lamps. The two green buttons control the two lamps respectively. Its wavelength is 260-280 nanometer. This is the rack where the sample can be placed. Height can be adjusted. Here is the temperature setting. The setting range is room temperature 60 centigrade. It is now set at 60 centigrade. Test time can be set here. Can switch seconds, minutes, hours. Set according to test requirements. This is the start timing button. This is a heating switch. When turned on, the heating temperature will be displayed. It is now set at 60 centigrade. This is the main switch. Open the test cabin door. Put in the test sample. Power on. Then set the temperature. We set it at 50 degrees Celsius. The temperature is set. The temperature is now 32 degrees Celsius. Set the test time. Now it's just a demonstration. Let's shorten the time. Set to 60 seconds. Turn on the heating switch. Here is the power generated by heating. When the temperature reaches 50 centigrade, we turn on the light switch. Open one or both. Open according to test requirements. If the temperature reaches the set temperature of 50 centigrade, now it's just a hypothesis. First zero clearing. Turn on the timing switch. In the actual test, do not open the test cabin door. We open it when showing you the test. It's internal. Timeout. The heating inside also stopped. The lights are off, too. The test chamber has its own ventilation function. Automatic extraction of hot gas for outward discharge. After the test, all switches need to be turned off.